In this video, I'm going to talk about all my minimalist travel essentials, which I bring on every trip. Well, I'm not going to talk about the essentials everyone knows about, like my clothes, shoes. Obviously, I'm going to bring those. I'm going to talk about my minimalist travel gadgets. So there are things that are super useful when you travel as a minimalist, but you might not know. We're going to start with my electronic gadgets. And the first one is an adapter, a travel adapter. I really like this one because you can use it for multiple countries. You have all the plugs in one thing. A lot of other travel adapters have multiple pieces, but I really like this one because it's one piece. You can use it for different countries. You can plug in a normal plug, but you can also plug in 2 USB and 3 USB-Cs. So it's super handy, not just handy for different power sockets, but also for charging multiple things at the same time. So yeah, first gadget, adapter. The second one is a power bank. During my travels, I do a lot of day trips and I use my phone a lot. I use my phone for taking pictures, for navigating, and I have all my tickets on it, so phone is really important. If you're out all day, battery might die, so a power bank. And with this, I can charge my phone multiple times. So I feel very safe going on day trips because I know my phone won't die. Travel essential number 3, my ebook reader. I love to read and books are heavy. So when you travel as a minimalist, taking books is not a good idea because I love to read massive fantasy books. They're heavy, they're big, but yeah, I have them all on my Kindle. Travel essential number 4, a water bottle. I always bring my water bottle, so I don't need to use single plastic bottles. In countries where I can drink the tap water, obviously I just fill it up with tap water. But even in countries where you cannot drink the tap water, I still bring my water bottle. I buy like one 5-liter water bottle and just fill it up. So water bottle, very good for minimalist travel. Also to be more eco-friendly while you travel. And speaking of being more eco-friendly while traveling, my essential number 5, a box. This is a foldable box. While I'm on holiday, I love going for food, but a lot of times I cannot finish all the food because the portions are too big or because I order too much. Either way, I have a foldable tub where I can put food in. Doesn't look that big, but actually quite a lot of food can fit in there. So when I bring it, it's very small, doesn't take up much space in my day bag. And then after the restaurant, I can fill it up with food, close it, and I have a snack for the next day. I mainly use it for taking food home from the restaurant, but you can also, of course, prepare a snack for yourself at home, put it in the box, bring it on a day trip, and once you finished it, just make it smaller and won't use up much space in your bag. Very handy. A foldable lunchbox. Travel essential number 6, a wallet, a minimalist wallet. I used to have a wallet which was massive. It was this size. It took up so much space in my bag, it wouldn't even fit in my pants pocket. And yeah, now I switched to a minimalist wallet. There are loads of different kinds of minimalist wallets. I have one where I still have a little bit of space for coins as well. You might not even need that. If you only pay by card, then it can even have an even smaller one. But yeah, minimalist wallet will save you a lot of space. Travel gadget number 7. Packing cubes. I really like them because they keep everything well organized. I really like the ones when you have a handle. I really like it so it keeps all my clothes together and it feels like it also makes more space in the backpack. So if I have all my clothes in one packing cube, it feels like I can pack more. So yeah, packing cubes. Now let's come to some toiletry gadgets. First up, a reusable swab. I like to use cotton swabs for my ears. I know one cotton swab seems like a very small item to pack, but when you're traveling months at a time, they add up. So I have a reusable swab. You just use it and then wash it. Super easy. And yeah, when you travel for long periods of times, you can save a lot of space with that. Next gadget is a soap bar bag. I always use solid shampoos because, with the flying liquids restrictions, and you can use the soap bars for way longer than liquid shampoo, so they last longer. But they sometimes can be difficult to transport. I've tried different kinds of containers, tubs. Yeah, I was disappointed with them. But so far, I'm super happy with my bag, because you can even put like a still wet shampoo bar inside the bag. The shampoo bar will dry inside the bag, but there's no liquid coming from inside the bag to the outside. It's super handy that you can just stick the thing to the shower wall, because sometimes when you don't have like a holder for the shampoo bars in the shower, it's super awkward when you like shower and you have to place the shampoo bar on the bottom, like on the floor. So yeah, you can just use that instead, and you can easily reach your shampoo inside the bag. Now we've already come to my last travel gadget, travel essential, which actually I haven't traveled with yet because I only realized last week that it exists in the first place. I used to stay a lot in Airbnbs and, well, wash my clothes because I'm staying for a longer time. But a lot of Airbnbs do not provide washing detergent. And washing detergent is super awkward to pack. If I would have discovered these things before, it would have saved me so much time and hassle, because that's washing detergent. How cool is that? Like super eco-friendly, so you just put that in a washing machine and it dissolves and it's washing detergent. That's so cool. So depending on how long you travel for, you can just pack a number of like however many you need of those and do all your washing. That's so cool. I wish I would have discovered that when I was still staying in the Airbnbs. Nowadays I mainly do house sitting and they already have washing detergent. And that's already it. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite minimalist travel essential or gadget. Anyway, yeah, thank you for watching. Bye!